Okay guys, this is how we remove the dirt and also those hairs in your cleaning robot. So beside, this is our robot vacuum machine. So beside the filter, as you can see,
Dustbin removed.
yan. So, nilinis ko na siya, tinanggal ko na yung dust niya from the from each side, pero meron pa rin siyang konti. So you need only to brush all the way from inside and out. Ayan. Para mas madaling, mas malinis at mas makapag-passion at makakuha siya ng dust. Ayan. Linisin natin yung loob. Ayan siya. Then,
Dustbin installed.
install ulit natin. Nakalagay naman, the filter cannot be rinsed. Hindi siya pwedeng hugasan kasi nga syempre,
Dustbin removed.
ayan, baka masira.
Dustbin installed.
Then, para mas malinis at ayan, pakita ko sa inyo guys yung buhok na ganito guys. Kaya hindi siya makapaglinis ng maayos dahil nagbuhol-buhol na, ayan o, nagbuhol-buhol na yung buhok. Ayan. So hindi na siya maka-absorb ng maayos o makakuha ng dust pag naglilinis tayo. So make it sure na walang mga ganyang buhok na make it sure there's no hair, ayan o, na nakabalot o nakapalupot sa inyong dust brush. Ayan. So kaya kumuha ako ng scissor para nga kasi gupitin yung buhok na nakapalupot. Ayan o. Kasi hindi nyo malalaman kung hindi nyo i-check din yung ilalim. Kaya dapat make it sure na nagpa-function ang ating robot machine vacuum cleaner. Ayan. So guys, ayan. Ang dami niyang nakukuwang buhok. Ayan, na dapat tanggalin natin. So we need to remove all of those. Nadya. This is mahirap lang talaga siyang
Robot.
tanggalin, no? Be careful also while you're cutting it kasi baka makat niyo yung rubber niya. So be careful where you're cutting those hairs because it might gone wrong. You cut the rubber.
Sisira robot.
So be careful not to cut it. The rubber. This rubber. So ang dami niyang hair. Lots of hair.
So, napansin ko lang po kasi na medyo maingay yung robot. Check this. So, ayan. Ang daming hair guys. May nakapalupot pa oh. As you can see. Oh my goodness. Fossil. Masisira robot. Take this. So they can see it. So guys, malapit na tayo matapos. Konting tiis na lang. At makakarating din tayo sa ating destination, sa ating goal na malinis itong vacuum cleaner na robot. Inspiration. Tsaka yun pala, so, yan. Kita nyo guys. As you can see, there's a lot of hair also in the sides. This brush. Pero mas marami dito. Ayan! Oo. Ayan pala. Ano ba yun? Okay. So, ayan. Almost done. Yeah, perfect. So, ayan na siya guys. Natanggal na natin. At yan, ay, kita nyo. Ayan ang lahat. This is all the hairs. See? It's dirty. And we need to throw it off. Okay guys. So, ayan. It's clean. At, pwede na uling mag-operate ang ating vacuum cleaner robot. Okay guys, thank you again for watching. Keep thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell for more updates and videos. God bless you all. Good night.
3.